Rice flour is one ancient secret that is being used many Asian women since a past. Hi, I am Maria Shahid. Today in this video I will share two face packs that you can use to make skin fair and bright. Let's start face pack. First face pack ingredients: 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, half teaspoon turmeric. Mix all ingredients clean bowl. Apply this all over face 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, rinse off, use plain water. Second face pack: 2 tablespoon yogurt, 1.5 tablespoon rice flour. Mix both ingredients clean bowl and your mask is ready. Apply this smooth paste all over your face and leave it 20 minutes. Rinse off using plain water after 20 minutes in glowing and bright. Wow!